Hello children, good morning to all. In this class, we will revise Social Studies Class 3, Lesson 3, Occupations in India. Workout exercise C, answer these questions. 1. What are raw materials? Raw materials are basic materials from which a product is made. Food crops, cotton, tea, coffee, jute, etc. that is grown by farmers along with milk, eggs, meat that is obtained from animals are called raw materials. So dear children, raw materials means all the things which are used to make different products. Those are known as raw materials. For example, food crops, cotton, tea, coffee, jute, these are grown by the farmers and they are sent to the industries. Why? To make different products. So they are known as raw materials. And farmers also obtain milk, eggs, meat. Okay. Farmers also rear animals and get milk, eggs, meat, and they are also raw materials. Why? Because milk, eggs and meat, they are also used to make different products. So all these are known called raw materials. So dear children, I hope you understood about raw materials. It means that whatever the things used to make into different goods or different products, they are known as raw materials. 2. What are manufactured goods? Once the raw materials have been processed in the industries, then the output is known as manufactured goods. It means that when the raw materials are taken to the factories and they are made into different products, okay, they are made into different goods. That things are, when they are made into different goods or products, they are made available in the market. Okay, those things which are made available in the market, okay, are known as manufactured goods. Next 3, what is harvesting? When the crop ripens, the farmers cut and gather it. This is known as harvesting. So dear children, harvesting means when the crop ripens, the farmers will collect the crops. They will gather together. They will cut and gather the crops. That is known as harvesting. That process is known as harvesting. 4. Name 2 crops and arts and crafts that India is famous for. India is famous for embroidered cloth and Madhubani paintings. Dear children, what do you mean by arts and crafts? Means the handicrafts, the handmade things are known as arts and crafts. India is famous for embroidered cloth, means designs on clothes, and Madhubani paintings. Okay, in Madhubani paintings, the colors are made from plants. So this is an ancient painting. Embroidered cloth and Madhubani paintings are the 2 arts and crafts that India is famous for. This is not only famous in India, it is famous all over the world. 5. Describe how wheat flour reaches us. Now we will discuss how flour reaches us, how we get flour from the market. The first step is farmers sow seeds and cultivate the wheat. So what the farmers will do? The farmers will sow the seeds, they will grow the crops and cultivate the wheat. Okay, and it is they will grow wheat. The second step is once it ripens, it is harvested and sent to the flour mills. So what is the next step? Next step is that the farmers will collect all the ripened crops. When the crop ripens, they will collect all the wheat and they will send it to the flour mills. And what is the next step? It is ground with the help of machines and turned into flour. So when the farmer collects and send it to the flour mills, what the people do? What is the next process? Next step is that the wheat is ground with the help of machines. Machines are used to ground the wheat and turned into flour. And what is the next step? The wheat flour is packed and sent to the markets from where we buy it and used to make chapatis at home. The next step is that when the wheat is ground in the industries by using machines, they are packed and they are sent to the markets which are made available for us, and we can buy it from the market and use that flour to make chapatis at home. So dear children, I hope you understood about this question, how flour reaches us from the farmer to the market. 6. How is a quota made from cotton? So now we will discuss how a cotton quota is made. Okay, what is the process? Let us check it out. Farmers grow cotton plants and then pluck the cotton from the plant. What is the first step? The farmers grow cotton plants. Cotton plants are grown by the farmers, and when it grows, then the farmers will pluck the cotton from the plant. Okay. And what is the next step? These are sent to the factories when they are first spun into thread by the spinners. There are people who are known as spinners. What is their work? They will spin the cotton into thread. So the cotton is spun into thread by the spinners, by the people who are working in the factories. And after spinning, after turning it into thread from the cotton, what is the next step? Then that thread, the spun thread, is woven into a cloth by the weavers, and they are woven after spinning it by the spinners. That thread is woven into a cloth. That means that thread is combined together by the weavers. The weavers will make the thread into a cloth. And what is the next step? When the cloth is ready, the tailor stitches it into a quota for us. So when the weavers weave it into a cloth, the woven cloth is sent to the tailor. Okay, when the woven cloth is ready, it is sent to the tailor, and the tailor stitches the cloth, the woven cloth by the weavers. The tailor stitches it into a quota for us. So the tailor makes the cloth ready as a quota. So dear children, I hope you understood how is a quota made from cotton. Next 7. What is the difference between spinners and weavers? So let us check it out, the difference between spinners and weavers. Spinners are the people who turn the raw material cotton into a thread. Weavers are people who use that thread and turn it into a cloth. So dear children, spinners means when the cotton is sent to the factories, okay, it is turned into thread by the spinners. Okay, and what do you mean by weavers? What is the work of the weavers? The weavers are the people who use that thread and turn it into a cloth. So when the spinners spin the cotton into thread, that thread is used by the weavers, and the weavers turn that thread. Okay, the weavers turn it into a cloth. So dear children, I hope you understood about what difference between spinners and weavers. Thank you. Have a nice day.